Factory prefabrication. On-site quick loading. Daehejiang's modular construction solution. That's how it's done. It combines the traditional complex house building process. Move into factory. From the main structure, maintenance walls to decorative surfaces. All integrated and prefabricated with high precision. To the construction site, just like building blocks. Quick lifting with full bolts. Say goodbye to relying on the sky for food. And various troubles of on-site welding. Relying on the HZ's light and heavy combination system and self-designed software. This plan not only greatly shortens the construction period, steel loss is also significantly reduced. Plus, most of the steel is recyclable, and dry construction technology significantly reduced construction waste. Whether it is a cultural hotel with rural revitalization, large-span industrial plant, or overseas modular export, Daehejiang Modular Construction System, they all share the philosophy of building houses like cars. Provide efficient and stable support for the project. Sustainable industrial construction solutions.